Is your PS5 emitting blue light and fails to boot? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Power cycle the PS5 device. When your PS5 is continuously emitting blue light and not booting, power cycle the device. Unplug the power cable from the back of the PS5. Then wait for a couple of minutes. Then plug the power cable back in and try to turn on your PS5. If the issue persists, move on to the next solution. Method 2. Reconnect the HDMI cable. The problem can also arise from the HDMI cable you are using, so you can try reconnecting it firmly. To do that, unplug the HDMI cable from both your PS5 and TV. Reconnect the HDMI cable to both the PS5 and TV. Turn on your PS5 and see if the issue is resolved. Method 3. Check the HDMI cable for damage. You should also inspect the HDMI cable for any visible signs of damage or wear. Ensure it is securely connected to both the PS5 and the display. If the issue persists, try using a different HDMI cable to determine if the original cable is faulty. This can help identify and potentially resolve simple causes of the blue light issue. Method 4. Use a different HDMI port. The next thing you can do is try a different HDMI port. Sometimes due to a faulty port, these kinds of issues might arise. So, unplug the HDMI cable from its current port on the TV. Plug it into a different HDMI port on the TV. Turn on your PS5 and check if the blue light issue persists. Using a different HDMI port may resolve any connectivity problems causing the issue. Method 5. Contact support. If the previous methods couldn't fix the issue, then contact the PlayStation support. Your device might having some hardware issue and require repairing or replacement. So, keep the warranty cards handy while processing the requests. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when your PS5 emits blue light and fails to boot. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.